Welcome to this tutorial on how to use custom logging in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to implement custom logging in C# applications using IronPDF. Before we begin, ensure that you have IronPDF installed in your project. You can easily do this using the NuGet Package Manager. In the program.cs file, after importing the namespaces, first let's set up IronPDF to use custom logging. We set the logging mode property of the ironsoftware.logger to custom to enable custom logging. Next, we instantiate a custom logger class and assign it to the custom logger property of the ironsoftware.logger. This class handles the logic for custom logging. So now let's dive into the implementation of the custom logger class to understand how custom logging is achieved. The custom logger class implements the iLogger interface provided by Microsoft.extensions.logging. It requires a category name parameter in its constructor. The begin scope method is implemented to return null, as we don't need to implement any scope functionality in this example. The isEnabled method always returns true, indicating that logging is always enabled regardless of the log level. The log method is where the actual logging logic is implemented. It receives parameters such as log level, event ID, state, exception, and formatter. Inside the log method, you can implement your custom logging logic. So in this example, we write the log message to the console using console.writeLine. You can customize this logic to write logs to a file, a database, or any other destination as per your requirements. Now that we have set up custom logging, let's render a PDF from a URL using IronPDF to view the log information. So let's run the application and wait for the processing to complete. And here you go, the log has been generated, and this log shows all the information about the processes that took place to generate the PDF file. Now, you can find the log of events related to PDF generation, including rendering progress, errors, warnings, performance metrics with ease. That's it. Follow these steps so you can implement custom logging in your C# applications using IronPDF. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with the IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.